Hi friends, how are you? By blessing of the God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, Pokemon University, Baso Bihar, Balasore, Odisha. Friends, once again I am welcoming to all of you to your channel, to my channel, Dr. A B JENA Classes. So friends, you have already known that what would be today's, that is the discussion, मतलब the video content. So friends, you have already known from the content. So friends, आज का discussion क्या है? Friends, we will discuss the most repeated, most expected, the 70 MCQs from the auditing. And friends, it's the unit 2. Friends, I have prepared these 70 vital or the top MCQs as per the prescribed syllabus, that is NTA, UGC NET, JRF for the subject of commerce. So friends, I have prepared this video content on your demand, on your request. So very soon in the last week of the June of 2025, friends, you are going to appear the, that is the NTA, UGC NET, JRF एग्जाम फॉर द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ कॉमर्स. फिर भी आज का डिस्कशन बहुत बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा, पर्टिकुलरली दोज हु आर preparing the competitive examination. So these 70 vital MCQs will be very very useful and fruitful for the, that is the accountant jobs as well as the state Odisha civil services as well as the UPSC. फिर भी आज का डिस्कशन बहुत बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा, particularly those are really interested for the lectureship. I mean that is the SSB PGT, OPSC PGT and OPSC OPSC. फिर भी आज का डिस्कशन बहुत बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा, पर्टिकुलर टू माय यंग फ्रेंड्स. So far the auditing paper is there, whether it's in BCOM or MCOM. So that's why in friends you will get in that is the UG BCOM, that is the 1 or 2 mark questions or fill in the blanks or true or false like this. फिर भी आज का डिस्कशन बहुत बहुत यूजफुल एंड फ्रूटफुल होगा, पर्टिकुलरली दोज हु आर परसुइंग दैट इज द प्रोफेशनल कोर्स, मतलब दैट इज द CA एंड कॉस्टिंग. सो दैट्स वाई फ्रेंड्स, डोंट स्किप द वीडियो फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग टू टिल एंड. You watch, definitely you will be more and more comfortable, not only in that is the NET exam but also in the other related exam. So that's why आज का discussion बहुत बहुत useful and fruitful होगा. I am giving the assurance that so whatever the time you will give, definitely according to your time, definitely you will get more value. So friends, without losing our golden time, valuable time, let's start today's discussion one by one. The most repeated or the most expected, I mean the top or vital or the super 70 MCQs from the auditing. Friends, don't skip the video. ये video थोड़ा lengthy होगा, so that's why don't skip the video. And in India, the audit of a company accounts was made mandatory. I mean the compulsory in once a year, whether 1913 or 38, 48 or 56. So friends, here the right option is A. The audit of a company accounts was made mandatory in 1913 in India. So friends, हमारा चर्चा क्या है ऑडिटिंग पर. आइए, मतलब क्या है ऑडिट. So audit is a thorough review of company's financial statements to ensure the financial records and fair and accurate. It's the matlab or meaning of audit. So for your kind information, I have already posted so many videos on auditing. Kindly go through the posted video and मतलब क्या auditing का मतलब क्या है, so you will know there. The next one हम देखेंगे the work of management audit starts when, कौन सा ऑडिट खत्म होने का बाद, whether statutory audit or financial audit or social audit or it's the environmental audit. So friends, here right option is B. So I friends, हम चर्चा during the discussion, that is the contemporary or emerging areas of auditing. So it's a will cover or will discuss in this video content. So management audit is a systematic evaluation of the management practices and performance at all the levels of an organization. ये है मतलब और मीनिंग क्या है मैनेजमेंट ऑडिट का. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग व्हिच इज द फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ एनर्जी ऑडिट. सो वेदर रिपोर्ट और चेकिंग और प्रिपरेशन और सर्वे. सो फ्रेंड्स, हियर सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. आइए फ्रेंड्स, हम चर्चा करेंगे मतलब क्या है एनर्जी ऑडिट. सो एनर्जी ऑडिट इज ए सिस्टमेटिक प्रोसेस टू असेस हाउ मेनी एनर्जी इज यूज्ड इन ए बिल्डिंग or facility and identifies the areas of energy waste and recommends the ways to improve the energy efficiency. Next one friends देखेंगे which sections of the Companies Act 2013. So friends, you have to remember the new Companies Act is 2013 has already replaced the old Companies Act 1956. So requires every auditor to comply with the auditing standard, whether section 140 subsection 9 or 141.9 or 142.9 or 143.9. So friends, here D is the right option. So section 143 and subsection 9 of the Companies Act 2013 requires every auditor to comply with the auditing standards. Next one friends, हम देखेंगे which types of business needs the legal audit, whether joint in the family or partnership firm or public limited company or both A and B. So friends, here C is the right option. आइए friends, ओके हम चर्चा करेंगे मतलब क्या है लीगल ऑडिट. सो लीगल ऑडिट इज ए कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव रिव्यू ऑफ लीगल प्रोसेसेस, प्रोसीड्यूर्स एंड कंप्लायंस विथ लॉज एंड रेगुलेशंस ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नेक्स्ट वन MCQ फ्रेंड्स, मैनेजमेंट ऑडिट मस्ट हैव द थोरो and depth knowledge of what costing system only, techniques of production only, financial accounting only, all the above. So friends, here D is the right option. So management auditor must have the knowledge about the costing system, production policies or techniques, and financial accounting rules and regulation principles of financial accounting, so that the management audit will be easier to management auditor. So next one friends, हम देखेंगे analyze the following statement as given below. Statement 1 क्या है? Safety audit is regarded as a risk management tools. Statement 2, so it's a management audit is regarded as a part of the traditional auditing system. Friends, options are statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is correct, both statements are false. D, it's both statements are correct. So friends, here A is the right option, मतलब statement 1 is correct. Next one MCQ friends, the audit which integrates the accounting, auditing and investigative skills to make the investigations in variety of fraud cases, and it is called, हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether it's the external audit or forensic audit or financial audit or management audit. So friends, here B is the right option. So मतलब क्या है, forensic audit का मतलब, so it's a useful in this case. Next one, so dash is an example of a general IT control. So friends, here IT audit is there, information technology audit, whether backup and recovery procedures or validation of input data, access control to sensitive data or transactional authorization. So friends, here A is the right option. A is the right option. नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड्स देखेंगे डैश इज एन इंस्पेक्शन एंड इन डेप्थ एग्जामिनेशंस ऑफ द फाइनल अकाउंट, वेदर ऑडिटिंग, इंटरनल चेकिंग और इन्वेस्टिगेशन और वाउचिंग. सो फ्रेंड्स, हियर सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे फ्रेंड्स, फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग्स व्हिच वन इज नॉट ए की एरिया टू फोकस इन सिस्टम ऑडिट? सिस्टम परफॉर्मेंस, ऑपरेशनल एफिशिएंसी, सिस्टम सिक्योरिटी, इट्स दैट इज द डेटा इंटीग्रिटी. सो फ्रेंड्स, हियर इट्स B is not the key area to focus in the system audit. So what do you mean by system audit? So system audit is a thorough evaluation of information system and processes to assess their effectiveness, efficiency, security of an organization. Next one friends, so what one or which one is the main role of an auditor in system audit from the following? Whether to detect and prevent frauds, to verify the accuracy of financial statement, to evaluate the effectiveness and efficiency of IT systems and controls. D, it's both A and B. No doubt friends, from this definition or meaning, so it's clear that C will be the right option for this MCQ. Next one, auditing has been derived from Latin word क्या है, whether audit, investigation, vouching or auditory. So friends, here D is the right option. नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड देखेंगे द मेन गोल ऑफ ए सेफ्टी ऑडिट इज टू क्या है, वेदर इम्प्रूव द ओवरऑल सेफ्टी कल्चर एंड परफॉर्मेंस, मिनिमाइज द नंबर ऑफ एक्सीडेंट्स एंड इंसिडेंट्स, आइडेंटिफाई एंड एड्रेस ऑल पॉसिबल हैजर्ड्स, देन इंश्योर द compliance with all safety regulations. So friends, here A is the right option. Next, सेफ्टी ऑडिट क्या है? सेफ्टी ऑडिट इज ए कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव एंड सिस्टमेटिक एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ द सेफ्टी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, पॉलिसीज एंड प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड्स हम देखेंगे डैश इवैल्यूएट्स द सोशल परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ ए कंपनी, वेदर सोशल ऑडिट और मैनेजमेंट ऑडिट और एनवायरमेंटल ऑडिट और एफिशिएंसी ऑडिट. सो फ्रेंड्स, हियर द राइट ऑप्शन इज ए. नेक्स्ट वन, which are the key steps to conduct a safety audit? Well, first one, it's identifying and accessing the hazards, implementing the corrective actions, developing and maintaining a safety management system. So friends, here all the above except 1, B it's all the above except 2, all the above except 3, D it's all the above. So friends, here D is the right option. ये तीनों है क्या है, key steps to conduct a safety audit. Hi friends, so you match the column 1 with column 2. So in column 1 क्या है, it's ISO 14001, ISO 14010, 14013, 14040, 14060. column 2 में क्या है, environmental management system, environmental auditing, environmental performance evaluation, then life cycle assessment, then environmental aspects in product standards. So options क्या है, 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, 5E. B it's reverse, 1E, 2D, 3C, 4B, 5A. C 1A, 2B, 3D, 4E, 5E. D it's 1B, 2A, 3C, 4D, 5E. So friends, the right option is A. So it's then 2B, then 3C, then 4D, then 5E. Next one friends, the rights and duties of an auditor are described under which sections of the Companies Act 2013, whether section 123, 33, 43, 53. So friends, here C is the right option. Next one friends, देखें qualified audit report means क्या है. In semester exam short question, 1 mark का question may come, that is what do you mean by qualified audit report. So it's what is this? Final submission of audit report. B it's an auditor and option with reservation of material nature or facts but not the pervasive, mentioning the fraud and errors, non-submission the audit report. So friends, here B is the right option. Next one, management audit is useful and essential for क्या, suggestions towards targets, assistance to management, good employee relationship. D it's all of these. So friends, here D is the right option. Next one, आइए फ्रेंड देखेंगे what are the key areas to be addressed in energy audit. Building involve, then lighting, then heating, ventilation and air conditioning, HVAC system, equipment and processes, energy bills and uses, data. So friends, select the correct option from the following: all the above except 1, B, all the above except 4, all the above except 5, D it's all the above. So friends, here D is the right option. So these are all the key areas to be addressed in the energy auditor by an energy auditor. So similarly, what are the key steps involved in the energy audit? Planning and scoping, data collection, data analysis, recommendation, implementation, disciplinary action. Select the correct option from the following: A, all the way except 1, all the way except 3, all the way except 6, all the above. So friends, here C is the right option. ये नहीं है key steps in energy audit में. So here rest ये नहीं होगा. So that's why C is the right option. Next one, हम देखेंगे व्हाट आर द कॉमन टूल्स और सिस्टम व्हिच आर यूज्ड इन एनर्जी ऑडिटिंग. एनर्जी मीटर्स, thermal cameras, then data loggers, software tools. Friends, select the correct option from the following. All the above except 1, all the above except 3, all the above except 4, D, C, all the above. So friends, here D, C is the right option. ये नहीं होगा. The common tools or system used in energy audit. Rest 3, energy meters, thermal cameras, data loggers are the common tools or systems which are used in energy auditing. What are the most common energy auditing in software programs, whether Energy Pro or IESVE, eQuest, eEnergy, Transib. So whether it's TRNSYS. So friends, I have already told you some, that is the emerging areas of auditing, that is the forensic accounting auditing, then that is the environmental auditing, social auditing, then system auditing, then IT auditing. So friends, select the correct option from the following. A, all the way except 2, B, all the way except 4, C, it's C, all the above except 5, D, it's C, all the above. So friends, here B is the right option. मतलब ये नहीं होगा, ये होगा, ये होगा, ये होगा, ये नहीं होगा. Next one, friends, what are the latest trends in energy auditing? First, it's focus on occupant behavior, smart building technologies, use of building information modeling, that is the BIM, integration of renewable energy sources, use of data analytics, then use of energy consumption. So friends, select the correct option from the following. All the way except 1, all the way except 2, all the way except 6, D is all the above. So friends, here C is the right option. ये नहीं होगा. Rest. So these are the latest trends in energy auditing. Third भी होगा, 4 भी होगा, 5th भी होगा. Next one, what are the common energy auditing standards and guidelines, whether ASTM E1825, ASHRAE standards 90.1, ISO 50001, LEED. So friends, stands for leadership in energy and environmental design. Then select the correct option from the following. All the above except 1, B, all the above except 2, all the way except 3, D, it's all the above. So friends, here D is the right option. So ये भी, these are all are the common energy auditing standards and guidelines. Which sections of Income Tax Act 1961? So friends, you have to remember Income Tax Act here is 1961. A tax audit is required for businesses and professional if their total sales or earnings go over a certain limit. So certain limit is there. So above the certain limit, then the tax audit is must. Whether section 33 AB, 34 AB, 45 AB or 46 AB. So friends, here B is the right option. आइए friends, हम देखेंगे limit क्या है certain. As of January 2022, that the limit is rupees 1 crore for the businesses and 50 lakhs for the professionals. So in this situation, tax audit is must. Hi friends, देखेंगे the report of cost audit is submitted to whom, whether it's a board of directors, central government, company law board, or both A and B. So friends, here D is the right option. So board of directors as well the central government. Hi friends, okay, हम चर्चा करें कॉस्ट ऑडिट का मतलब क्या है. कॉस्ट ऑडिट इज ए स्पेशलाइज्ड टाइप ऑफ ऑडिटिंग दैट और व्हिच एग्जामिन्स the cost accounting records to verify their accuracy, ensure compliances with cost accounting standards, and identify the areas for improvement in cost control and efficiency of a company in order to enhance or increase the profit. Next one friends, consumer audit is the part of कौन सा audit, whether social audit, environmental audit, or management audit, or income tax audit. So friends, here A is the right option. नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड्स देखेंगे what do you mean by consumer audit? A consumer audit refers to a broader assessment of how a company interacts with its entire consumer base, looking at overall market trends, consumer behavior, and satisfaction with the products and services. Then the management audit is conducted by whom? Whether cost accountant or company secretary or chartered accountant or any qualified person. So friends, here D is the right option. Next one, friends, on the thing, in India, cost audit was initially introduced in which year? Whether 1947, 1956, 1965 or 1972. So friends, here C is the right option. Next one, friends, again, after over the cost audit, an auditor submits the audit report to central government within how many days? Whether 60 days or 90 days or it's 100 days or 120 days. So friends, here D is the right option. मतलब within 3 months. Next one, friends, हम देखेंगे payment of purchasing a building will be verified by an auditor with the help of a कौन सा document, whether invoice, money receipt, sales deed or rent receipt payment. So friends, here C is the right option. Then what are the various types of environmental audit? So first क्या है? Environmental management system EMS audit, sustainability audit, then environmental compliance audit, a functional environmental audit. Friends, select the correct options from the following: A, all the way except 1, all the way except 2, all the way except 3, D, it's all the above. So friends, here D is the right option. So these are all the various types of environmental audit. Next one, friends, what are the components of an environmental audit? Air and water quality, energy consumption, soil quality, waste management, hazardous materials, then compliance and environmental laws and regulations. So friends, select the correct options from the following: all the way except 3, all the way except 4, all the way except 5, all the above. So friends, here A is the right option. मतलब ये नहीं होगा. But the rest are the components of environmental audit. Next one, friends, हम देखेंगे in government company the first auditor will be appointed by whom? Central government company law board CLB or register of the companies or comptroller law and auditor general, that is the CAG of India. So friends, the right option is A. Next one, friends, हम देखेंगे floating assets. क्या है floating assets का मतलब? So floating assets are known as the currents. Now friends, you are clear, or you can say it's the circulating assets which represent the short-term assets of a business that are expected to be converted into cash within a year. मतलब कितना? That is 12 months in order to make the payment the current liabilities. Clear? So floating assets of a company are usually valued at which price? Whether market price or cost price, whichever is less, market price or cost price, whichever is higher, market value or the net realizable value, whichever is lower, market value or net realizable value, whichever is higher. So friends, here C is the right option. Next one, friends, हम देखेंगे when an auditor do not perform his audit work, it is known as, हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether misleading or misfeasance or non cooperation or it's the negligence. So friends, here B is the right option. Next one, friends, देखेंगे an audit which is done compulsory by law, it is called what? Whether it is interim audit or continuous audit or final audit or statutory audit. So friends, here D is the right option. Hi friends, we'll discuss what is the meaning of statutory audit. Statutory audit means a type of audit mandated by law or statute to make sure that book of accounts is true and fair, which is presented to the not only to the public but also to the regulator. Regulator मतलब Indian Companies Act, that is okay. IRDA is there, so here SEBI is there, so they are the regulators in financial market. Also NABARD. So material errors and frauds found at the time of audit are recorded in where? By an auditor, whether audit working paper, audit program, audit notebook or audit diary. So friends, here C is the right option. Next one friends, देखेंगे which one is the backbone of auditing, whether bookkeeping, vouching, checking or inspection. So friends, here B is the right option. Next one friends, again, a detailed plan containing the details regarding to conduct of a particular audit is regarded as a what, whether audit working paper, audit schedule, audit planning, audit program. So friends, it's the audit program. नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड्स देखेंगे वाउचर्स आर रिलेटेड टू क्या, वेदर क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शन, कैश पेमेंट्स, कैश रिसिप्ट्स और द अबव. सो फ्रेंड्स हियर डी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड्स देखेंगे व्हिच सेक्शंस ऑफ कंपनीज एक्ट 2013 outlines or mention or describe the eligibility, qualification and disqualification of auditors for Indian companies, whether section 141, 45, 51, 55. So friends, here A is the right option. नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड्स हम देखेंगे ऑडिट नोटबुक कंटेंट्स व्हाट. फ्रेंड्स इन सेमिस्टर एग्जाम इन 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन यू विल गेट और फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ऑडिट नोटबुक कंटेंट्स क्या है, डिटेल्स ऑफ वर्क डन बाय एन ऑडिटर, रेफरेंसेस ऑफ वेरियस डेट्स, नोट्स रिलेटिंग टू आइटम्स रिक्वायरिंग द एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड क्लासिफिकेशन और द अबव. सो फ्रेंड्स हियर सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड्स देखें एन ऑडिटर इज ए वॉचडॉग नॉट ए जोड़ा ब्लड. So such statements has been made in the case of whether IBM. So friends, it stands for International Business Machines Corporation or Kingston Cotton Mills Company or Microsoft Corporation or it's HSBC City Bank. So friends, the right option is that is the B, Kingston Cotton Mills Company statement of this company. Next one, management audit is also called क्या है, whether efficiency audit, management audit, balance sheet audit or social audit. So friends, A is the right option. So here मैनेजमेंट ऑडिट को भी हम बोल सकते हैं एफिशिएंसी ऑडिट और परफॉर्मेंस ऑडिट. सो डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ बिल्स एंड वाउचर्स इज रिगार्डेड एज ए व्हाट, वेदर फाइनेंशियल लायबिलिटी और इकोनॉमिक ऑफेंस और क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस और क्रिमिनल लायबिलिटी. सो फ्रेंड्स हियर डी इज द right option. Next one friends, an auditor will conduct an in-depth examination in whether errors of omission, compensating error, errors of commission or all of these. So friends, here D is the right option. So definitely the auditor must have the expertise or knowledge or skills to identify the error of omission, compensating error, errors of commission. So friends, in separate video we will discuss in detail by citing the suitable examples of these errors. So management audit is dash by nature, whether continuous or statutory or voluntary or compulsory. So friends, here C is the right option. Next one friends, हम देखेंगे an audit is special designed to check and evaluate the effectiveness of environmental management system and it is called, हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether environmental audit, green audit, waste audit, social audit. No doubt friends, so A is the right option. Next one friends, the full form of GAAS, GAAS is whether general accepted auditor standard or general accepted accounting standards or general accepted accountants standards or generally accepted auditing standards. So friends, here D is the right option. So here G stands for generally, A stands for accepted, then A stands for auditing and last A stands for standards. Next one friends, dash is the depth examination and inspection of final account of a company, whether vouching, inspection, audit or all of these. So friends, here B is the right option. Next one friends, which audit is normally presumed to be a non-routine investigation into a performance of a manager or a group of managers, whether financial audit or management audit or cost audit or social audit. No doubt friends, here B is the right option. आइए friends, मतलब क्या है social audit? So social audit is a structured process which is conducted to evaluate the social and ethical performance and impact on stakeholders of an organization. Next one, which audit has the much wider scope or much more scope, whether cost audit, social audit, financial audit, management audit. No doubt friends, so D is the right option. The first auditor of a company is appointed by whom, whether shareholder of the company or central government or board of directors or company law board. So no doubt friends, the board of directors. C is the right option. Next one friends देखेंगे double ASB stands for क्या है? The auditing and accounting standards board, auditing and accountant standard boards, auditing and assurance standards boards, auditing and auditor standards board. So friends, here C is the right option. A is auditing, then A stands for assurance, then A stands for no doubt friends standards, then B stands for friends, that is the board. So here friends, C is the right option. So next one, audit of banks is an example of whether concurrent audit, balance sheet audit, or statutory audit, or all of these. So friends, here D is the right option. Next one friends, हम देखेंगे which audit is conducted usually between two annual audits, whether internal audit, interim audit, continuous audit, or final audit. No doubt friends, so B is the right option. Next one friends देखेंगे an auditor should compare the purchase return book with a dash sent by suppliers, whether credit notes or debit notes or audit notes or none of these. So friends, here A is the right option. An auditor should compare the purchase return book with the credit notes sent by suppliers. Next one friends देखेंगे verification is the dash examination the books of accounts, act of recording the transaction, act of establishing the accuracy of entries in the books of accounts, none of these. So friends, here C is the right option. Next one friends देखेंगे special audit report is addressed to whom, whether central government or CAG of India or company secretary or board of directors. So friends, here right option is A. Special audit report is addressed to central government. आइए friends, हम चर्चा करेंगे व्हाट डू मीन बाय स्पेशल ऑडिट रिपोर्ट. सो दिस रिपोर्ट इज ए डिटेल्ड एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ स्पेसिफिक फिनेंशियल और ऑपरेशनल एरियाज ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कंडक्टेड आउटसाइड ऑफ द रूटीन एनुअल ऑडिट. नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड्स देखेंगे द पीरियडिकल एग्जामिनेशंस ऑफ accounts of a business firm by its employees appointed in the capacity of auditors is called what types of audit, whether final audit or partial audit or internal audit or continuous audit. So friends, here C is the right option. Next one friends, which section of the Companies Act 2013 describes the powers and duties and auditing standards for auditors, whether section 133, 143, 153, 163. So friends, here B is the right option. Next one friends, what are the objectives of IT audit? IT, it stands for, that is the information technology audit, whether it's evaluating the efficiency of IT controls, assessing the security, that is the vulnerabilities, ensuring the compliance with regulations, improving the overall efficiency and reliability of IT systems, focusing the accuracy and fairness the financial statements of a company. So friends, select the correct options from the following. A, all the above except 2, all the above except 3, all the above except 5, D, it's all the above. So friends, here C is the right option. So friends, ये नहीं होगा, ये होगा, ये होगा, ये होगा. So these are the objectives of IT audit. Next one, wages payments to worker or labor are to be vouched with the help of which document? Cash register, wages sheet, bank passbook or birth sheet register. So friends, here B is the right option. Next one friends, the work of a management auditor begins whether after ending the work of a cost auditor, after ending the work of a social auditor, after ending the work of a statutory auditor, before ending the work of a statutory auditor. So friends, here C is the right option. Next one friends, the sale of a car rupees 8 lakhs to Subham was entered as a sale to Lucky. It is an example of what? Whether error of principles, error of compensating error, or error of commission, or error of omission. So friends, here C is the right option. Next one friends, again the liability of an auditor shall be or can be only civil, only criminal, both civil and criminal. D, it's both civil and criminal. So friends, here D is the right option. The liability of an auditor shall be both the civil as well as the criminal liability. Next one friends देखेंगे, the first auditor of a company shall hold the office. So friends, is the last but not the least also the vital MCQs for a period of 1 year till conclusion of the first AGM, till appointment of a new auditor, till conducting the statutory meeting. So friends, here B is the right option. The first auditor of a company shall hold the office till the conclusion or ending the first annual general meeting. AGM stands for friends what? That is the annual general meeting of the shareholder in a company. So friends, so these are all about the most repeated or expected top or vital or super MCQs from the auditing. So I am hopeful that you have enjoyed a lot, and before concluding our discussion, I am wishing all the very best for your upcoming, that is the NET JRF examination for the subject of commerce. फिर भी I am wishing all the very best for your upcoming semester exam. फिर भी I am wishing all the very best those who are appearing the competitive examination like the accountants or civil services. Also I am wishing all the very best those who are really interested for the lectureship assistance level in college and university, also aided college, that is SSB, SSB PGT, OPSC PGT. So thanks a lot to all of you.